Good morning everyone. Now I haven't actually addressed the camera in a while. The last time I would have done that would have been my Taylor Swift vlog. So I was thinking of vlogging because I actually have content to vlog. I'm going to the cinema today with my friend after my driving lesson, and also tomorrow I'm going out to London with my boyfriend for a surprise, as my birthday surprise, because Sunday is my birthday. I am hyped. I am so excited for my birthday. I'm a very big birthday person. We're a big birthday household here. You know, it's like a national holiday every time someone has a birthday here, so I'm very excited. We're doing, like, hopefully on the Sunday we're going to do an ice cream bar, and we're going to watch Muppets Most Wanted because that's one of my favourite movies. So we're going to watch Muppets Most Wanted and we're going to do an ice cream bar. So yeah, I'm really excited, and I don't know where I'm going tomorrow, so yeah. Hello everybody, it is the day before my birthday. It's August 24th and I am getting ready to go out to London. Not got a clue where my boyfriend is taking me, but I dressed as I'd like to dress. I've actually done makeup for the first time in a while. I actually haven't sat down to do makeup. I was doing a bit of makeup on the first couple of days of holiday and then just stopped. So I'm glad I kind of did some more, but yes, so I'll do a little outfit of the day. The outfit of the day is my little Winnie the Pooh dress from Primark. The underbit is actually just like a separate top, and this is also from, oh, I was not trying to expose, I was trying to like show you that they're separate. Primark belt is from a pair of jeans somewhere. I don't fit the jeans anymore, but the belt is useful. Pandora, earrings from a friend, necklace from my Visa, little charm, I'm trying to show you. Oh my gosh, why won't it show you? Little necklace from my Visa. Birthday nails and clatter. So these are actually my Taylor Swift nails, but they've become my birthday nails because they're on at my birthday. So we're gonna work with it. But yeah, I feel very princessy. Not a clue where we're going, by the way. So yeah, I will figure it out. Yeah. So we headed out into London. Are you guys ready to see the surprise? Jack took me to the F1 arcade, which is something I have wanted to do for like 2 years now, but I've never had the chance to do it. It was so fun. We got a session on the driving game simulator and I crashed several times. I'm very bad at it. But we also got some drinks and we had the best time. It was such a fun and lovely surprise. Jack's other gift to me was also starting off a Taylor Swift bracelet with the 1989 charm. It's my birthday! I'm 19! Yay! My parents surprised me by doing some decorating, and then I decided to use some of the birthday money I got to go to Adidas, and I got myself a little new set for my dance classes, so I thought that would be fun. And me and Dad went to Costa before we left. It was a nice little treat. Dad, do you want to show the vlog what you got? Got pink lemonade. The main thing I wanted to do for my birthday was have an ice cream bar and watch a movie, so my parents went absolutely all out with it.
I love him so much. Mother made me a Colin the Caterpillar cake. He's beautiful. He's Colin, but we love him. He's amazing. Look at him go. He is the chef.
The next day, one of my friends wanted to work on some photography stuff, so she invited me to join her for Kew Gardens, which was a really fun day out. I love Kew Gardens, it's one of my favourite places to go. So we took a walk around and we got to see a bunch of lovely plants.
We also went for a little bit more of a walk around London. We went over Tower Bridge, we got some photos there. Well, we is a overstatement. My best friend did all of the photography because she's an amazing photographer. But we ended up walking around and we stopped at the end of the evening to get some drinks before we headed on the train home. When I got home, we also started eating the Colin the Caterpillar cake.